This is Hero Michael Uchenna, your music teacher, and I'll be explaining to you extending musical note beats. In this class, in this lesson, I hope to achieve the following objective as you have seen on the screen. If by the end of the class you can't do these 4 things, then you may have to listen all over again so you can achieve the learning objectives. Thank you. Extending musical note beats is the various ways by which you can increase the beats, the value of a musical note, by just an addition of a dot, a tie, fermata. We are starting with the use of a dot. What then does a dot do to a note? This dot doesn't mean full stop. When you draw a musical note and you put a dot beside it, all you're saying is, I want this musical note to be increased by half its original value. By half its original value. Half its original value. If the value of the note, for example, is a semibrief, and the semibrief is valued to have 4 beats. 4 beats and a dot, it's semibrief and a dot. What it means is I am increasing 4 beats by half of 4. Half of 4 is 2. If you add that to 4 beats, what you have is 6 beats. In a nutshell, what you have just done is you have a semibrief which is 4 beats, and the dots is a note of 2 beats, and that is meaning. So a dotted semibrief is a semibrief and a meaning, and that gives you 6 beats. For a dotted meaning, you have a meaning which is 2 beats and half of 2, the dot, remember, a dot is half, adding half of the value of the note to it, and half of 2 is 1. Add it to 2, you have 3 beats. And then the same thing goes for the explanation of a dotted crotchet. Interestingly, some notes can be double dotted. Double dotted. You can have a double dotted semibrief, double dotted meaning, double dotted crotchet, double dotted whatever note you're talking about. The simple logic about it is the first dot is half of the note, correct? That has been learnt. Now, the second dot is half of the value of the first dot. Now, here is something interesting. I want you guys to do this for me. You are going to do this. Please note it that we are going to talk about this on the stream in the classroom. Here is something interesting. You are going to find the value of these notes. Find their values for me. Find the value of these notes. This note, like for example, a double dotted semibrief. A semibrief is 4 beats. The first dot is half of 4, which is 2. Then the second dot will be half of 2, which is 1. So a double dotted semibrief is 7 beats. Now you do the others. And we are going to have a discussion. You will type your findings, type your explanation on the stream of the class in Google Classroom. Then from there, we are going to have a vivid explanation of what we are talking about. The next point in increasing the value of a musical note is the use of fermata. Fermata is very interesting. Fermata is such an interesting musical symbol. This is the symbol here. Very interesting musical symbol. When you see this on a note, it means you should prolong the note for as long as you want if you are singing alone. But if you are in the choir, the conductor will determine how long that note should be prolonged. Now, let me give an example. You are singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, How I Want. Now, let's say at the word star in the musical piece, you have a fermata on it. What will happen is this. You are going to sing Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. I prolong the star for as long as I want it to be, because I'm singing alone. In the case of a choir, the conductor determines how long it will go. Then lastly is the use of tie. This is how a tie looks. This is exactly how it looks. Now, this is applicable to notes of the same pitch. That means on the staff, they must be on the same, these two notes must be on the same line or in the same space. Thereby, a tie will now be used to join them. In the next slide, I'm going to show you that in a music piece. A tie will be used to join them. This tie tells you that this note should be pronounced as one, and then they will take a total beat of their beats added together. That one note you are pronouncing will take a total beat of their beats added together. Now here we go. This is exactly what I was trying to explain. Look at fermata. Look at fermata here. Fermata is used here. Look at it. This is a fermata. It means this note A. Let's say A sounds ha. What you just do here is, as you go ha, ha, you prolong it for as long as you want, then you keep singing ha, ha, like that. Now if you look at this, this is a fermata. This is a fermata. Oh, sorry, I just said that was a fermata. That's not a fermata. This is a tie. Sorry. Now this tie, these two notes are tied. The two notes, they are both G and G. G and G, same pitch. Now instead of you to say G, G, no, you don't say it like that. You only call one G but a total of 4 beats. I believe you understand the class and you enjoyed the class. You are going to have your assignment and then test on this topic in your Google Classroom. Thank you very much. I love you guys. God bless you.